Another day, another dollar. Um, the rainy season is coming, which is in my favor because as much as I tell people I hate the cold, the truth is I love it. It makes me stronger, especially the rain, which is always a blessing. Slept like a baby last night because of the rain, but I'm feeling better. Not that I told anyone I wasn't feeling better, but I think the weather has a big part to play in it. Although from a work point of view, it's gonna delay a lot of the things that I'm kind of responsible for, but not because of me, because of contractors that can't work. But otherwise, I just want to say I love the rain. Yeah, yeah, my grace is coming out, young. But they say every gray is like a soul that you lost and wisdom. I've always had it. I've had it since I was like in primary school already. But yeah, other than that, I haven't said this in a long time. But I always forgot to say it like I used to roll with my tongue, and I'm babbling now. But anyways, love, light, and happiness. Be safe out there, and as always, be true to thyself. From your boy Ali Chid. I'm gonna make more videos from now onwards. I just had to take a bit of a break. I was kind of sick, but yeah. Other than that, yeah, have a super duper day from your boy.